it's Julia and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you my new 2018 planner by the brand called STIL Classics. Ever since the new year started, I wanted a new planner for 2018, and originally I started designing my own layout, but after getting quotes on how much it would cost to print everything, the price ended up being a lot, and I just decided to buy this planner by STIL Classics. This is the 2018 Design Love Planner in the color Dusty Rose and costs $65. And I know that's a lot, but I promise you it's worth it. The quality of this planner is really great, and the design of the pages and layouts are very clean, minimal, and has everything that you need to stay organized. It's a spiral-bound 12-month planner that has a really cute front and back design. The graphic is a marble ombre, and there's gold foil accents here, and then as well as the branding at the top. Before I bought this planner, I was looking on YouTube for videos and reviews because I wanted to see what was on the actual pages, and I wasn't able to find much. So I thought it was a good idea to make this video for you guys to show you more of what's inside and what's on the actual pages. So if you want to see what's inside the 2018 STIL Classics planner, then please keep watching. So here's what the planner looks like up close. It has a really strong front and back cover that's really sturdy. When you first open it up, there's a pocket here and on this side too, and on the first page has the contact information like name, cell, address, and reward. On the next page has the background information about the owner and the brand, ways to use your planner, and on this page has blank space for a few genius ideas. Each month has an inspirational quote. January's is new feels, new chances, same dreams, fresh starts. On the side, it also has tabs for each month, so it's easy to flip through the different months. So for every month, it starts with a monthly goal page with action steps, strategy, and date achieved spaces. I really like these next two pages because it's an overview of the month and has areas for expenses, goals, tasks, and important dates and deadlines that I can look at as a whole for the entire month. Next is the monthly calendar. Then it breaks down into each day of the week, where it's a list where you can check off different tasks, and another nice touch is the memorable moment of the day space. Also, for every week, there's this empty workspace for you to further map out your plans, and it's split up into morning, afternoon, and night. And these page designs repeat for every week. Now let's talk about some of the things I dislike about this planner. So for the monthly calendar main pages, it starts the week with Sunday as calendars normally do, but then when you go into the full calendar pages, it starts with Monday. And this is the same for the daily and weekly planning pages. Another thing I wish this planner had was a bookmark string, because it's kind of hard to find my last spot. Those are the only two complaints that I have about this planner, but other than that, everything else is great. I also want to show you what's in the very back of the planner. It has a 12-month review page and then a future goals page for short and long term. And then the very back has a bunch of pages for free-handed notes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and get inspired to stay organized for the new year. I'll leave the product page in the description box down below. Leave me a comment if you thought this video was helpful, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.